Madame Rayz. We are very proud of her. She has tonight arranged a cultural show. As you can see, we are so excited about it. There's going to be a fashion show, there are stalls, there's raffle. We have people from all walks of the community in different outfits. I myself am a British Pakistani. I've come in a Moroccan outfit, and we are really excited about tonight.
Hi everyone, we're here today at the amazing fashion show taking place at Liverpool Town Hall. It's going to be an epic night.
Close to my heart, and this is the intention of the show. We, the human race, we are the human race, and we have been created to understand and love one another, and I hope we can achieve this in this room today and beyond. Let us each make a bold statement that we stand together despite where we are from, and we will make an effort to understand and love one another. For those that have your glasses and cups of tea, please raise that and make that promise for me tonight. Thank you.
But for now, enjoy the quality of the best.
Made these pieces, and have they been fabulous?
Just a fantastic night. The atmosphere has been fantastic.
Yes, there was a lot of hard work, but it's down to many people helping me. I mentioned those people earlier on. It's the retailers that put the effort in also, the volunteers, and of course my wonderful attendant.
Thank you, Madam Mayor. Thank you.